lights, LED lights. I made them during my last stream, or at least I modeled them. And during the past few days I printed and made them, or made one at least to test. So if we apply voltage, about 3 volts, it turns on. And then there's a small heatsink to keep the LED cool, because it's a 1 watt LED, so it gets quite warm. And we're gonna make some more today, but this time there's an updated version, which is this one, which can hold something like this, a diffuser. So we're gonna make that today. And for that we need, of course, the LEDs, which are these. I bought these from AliExpress. And then also heatsink, which I have these. These you can also get on AliExpress, for example. And then, of course, last but not least, the lenses. I do need to file these a bit. You can also get them there. So the full thing can be made without needing to salvage the parts. And of course we need some wires. We have these 2 parts for in the center to keep the LED in place. And we can drop it in here and then press it in place. And a small drill to clean out the holes. So we can do it like this, so we widen the hole a bit. So we heat up the wire and now just apply a bit of solder, just like that. We'll bend them like that. And like that. We apply a bit of, tiny bit of solder to the lead, so heat it up. That at the wire. There we go. So we'll put the LED in, like so. Grab a tiny bit, doesn't need too much. And just put it on there. First, put the wires through here. There we go. And through this one as well. So now we can carefully, let's see, place the heatsink on there, like that. So, there we go. Now it's in. We can drop it in, so there's some grooves. Don't know if you can see that, but that's where these extension points go into. Just push it in there. So now it's nice and in there. Now we can combine these, put them through there. So we grab the screw and putting it in here. And also this one. There we go. Now we need to add the legs. And then we have 2 caps. And the base as well. We put the leg to there. screw it all the way through, and then we put it on there and screw it in. There we go. And then we do that with the other side as well, like that. And then we grab this one. So there's a sort of indent, so that's for a screw head. So we put that on top. So we grab our screw. So we screw it in like this. So there we go. This straight. In there. This. There we go. So we can put it on top of here. Put this on top of there. Grab the screw. We can screw it in like that. There we go. I think I'll just put 2 in for now. Let's test how that looks if we apply some power to this. Let's see. 3 volts. And that looks pretty nice. And then of course you could also put some different colored film in there if you want some colors. Or just an RGB LED. That's also possible.